Are you tired of being tracked across every site you visit? Learn how to lock down Firefox in under 4 minutes. We'll start with core privacy settings, then add 2 essential extensions to block trackers and spoof your fingerprint. Start by opening a Google search for the guide we'll follow. Click on the result titled, "To harden Firefox for maximum privacy and security, start with these essential tweaks," to open the article. First, enable strict tracking protection by clicking on that option. Then go to Settings, Privacy and Security, and select Strict Enhanced Tracking Protection to block known trackers. Now click on Core Settings and UI Adjustments to access the next set of tweaks. Under Settings, Search, uncheck Provide Search Suggestions to prevent keystrokes from being sent to search engines before you hit Enter. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Then check Delete Cookies and Site Data when Firefox is closed to clear session data automatically. Disable Form Autofill by unchecking Save Addresses and Autofill credit cards to prevent third-party scripts from reading cached form data. Click on Stop Essential Privacy Extensions to move on to the extension recommendations. Keep in mind that adding too many extensions can make your browser fingerprint unique, but a few core tools are vital for blocking malicious tracking. Click on uBlock Origin to see its description. Finally, click on CanvasBlocker to spoof the Canvas API and prevent trackers from using your hardware to generate a unique browser fingerprint. That wraps up the essential tweaks. Enjoy a more private Firefox. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.